Yeah. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. You know, see? Yes, I. That one here for the pedophile them. A Jamaica. Pedophile. Plain and simple. When the girl them underage, below a certain threshold, when I sleep with them and I force to sleep with them, and I force them to sleep with you, and a pedophile, and I basically a rapist, and a child molester. You understand? When I blighted a young girl's future, when I blighted another human being future. See? I expose them to something where them not ready for yet. Them not prepare for. Yeah? You might face it because you do what you do successfully. She was ready. But again, what happened to the man them with baby or younger children? Them the quote unquote successful too. Was she ready? There comes a time when the young girl them ready. You know see, and for centuries over generation, women themselves have observed when the time of readiness is at hand, and them recognize a time frame, an age limit. You get what I say? And recommend it as well. And it's been published in law and been practiced. And it was unlawful forever to sleep with underage children. Whereas force them to sleep with them. You get what I say? I rape that. See? Rape. Not statutory rape. Just rape. Not underage and unconsent. Whatever. This a rape. See? And if you stop the little girl them so because if you go abroad or go nowhere on the do it, a prison on go. And someone who aspire to go abroad with them sort of mentality there. And when you reach America or England or any other country, you dare not do that to them little children there over there. You get what I say? Because someone reach and see it, they even want to look on them on the road. Because when we look on them on the road certain way and them see it in our face and tell on the street so when I peed up and call them excitement pound and them type of thing there and point to know. You understand? Enough little children boy I will do it. You know see, what you know do now, you move like the oppressors them. You know see, because rather than guide anybody or try elevate or help anybody, when you use a capitalistic mentality to capitalize on any problem or any fault, any deficiency in a society, see, when you gravitate to that and capitalize on it, suck on it like a vampire. You know see, in other instances where the little girl parents them can't bother no back, in enough cases, in enough other cases again where the parents and people them can't afford to financially take care of them children them certain way. In them pick their life when you usually find on yourself. You know see? And feel good about yourself tomorrow morning, wake up and walk go down the street or stand up on the corner and thing like that and pose like a gangster. You get what I say? Big idiot thing that for wait till the girl them come of age before you start violate them. And we couldn't help them to go to school. So that's when them ready for at least them is a credit to themselves and possibly can enhance for situation. Why you not do that? You get what I say? It's a disgrace. And I can't understand why I go through some man mind when you see, because certain things where you say happen, what you do to certain people, picnic. Nobody can do that to phone or phone family. You see, a war straight. Dead. You see, why do that to somebody else? Picnic. Whole heap of woman out there, whole heap of, you see. One more time, some boy have some problem. You see. Yeah, them have some mental problem where enough mental problem are going to Jamaica, especially with all the alcoholism. Alcoholism is an issue as well. It's a problem. It's a recognized, documented fact. Say alcoholism is a problem, And in enough cases, the man them deal with the alcohol and it's basically it becomes part of our everyday life. It's not a social occasion anymore. You know, see, when you know say everybody were in that zone and do that thing here, is of a certain intention or of a certain mindset. No, you know, in the public with regular people, children, full children, and a baby mother, and inebriated. You know, see, you don't know how to procreate yourself in a public like that. Usually junking people in a space by themselves, a pub, a bar, restaurant, club, somewhere where accommodate the behavior. You understand what I say? Now me see a man on Facebook a beat him daughter the wickedest way with a drink of rum in him hand. And him a cuss her too. And at the end of the video him hug her up and calm her down. You know when him just teach him daughter say, it's alright for your man come home drunk and beat you and then sleep with you. And then you sleep with him immediately after. As soon as him voice calm down and things like that, yeah, just be prepared for anything when him want next. You know see, because of that him just abuse her. Call her, sit her downside her. Psychologically, I tell her, say him have problem and issues too. Oh, your problem and issues supposed to override the love and the concern for your child in any which way. You understand what I say? Usually, your children them distract you from certain liquor. You know? Some don't understand. You see, that's a very immature action. And a sinister way how you calm down the child and get back into the child head. You know see? But you don't know. Jamaica, you have to be careful, man. You have to stand up and talk up against them things now, man. A time for you to start send some people to prison. A time for you to take action for yourself too. You get what I say? Them sort of behavior.